Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying the calibrator model and what probes you need. This prevents mismatches that waste time. Once you have the right adapter, make sure batteries are charged or plug into a stable outlet to avoid interruptions. Next, select the correct measurement mode, voltage, current, or resistance, because the device applies different internal references for each. While connecting leads, observe polarity and secure contacts. A loose connection will skew results. After these checks, you're ready to initialize the calibration sequence. You perform the core calibration by first zeroing or tearing the instrument under test so offsets don't distort results. Then apply known reference signals or standards in a logical sequence. Start low, move to mid, then high values to reveal linearity or drift. Make sure to let readings stabilize between steps. Rapid changes can hide thermal or settling errors. Record each reading and compute error versus the reference. If values fall inside tolerance, document and move on. If not, note deviation magnitude for adjustment. You complete the process by applying final corrective adjustments indicated by your measurements, then save the calibration data with a timestamp and identifier so it's auditable. Once done, rerun a few key reference points to verify corrections are stable. This confirms the fix worked rather than masking a transient. If readings remain out of tolerance, check common culprits: bad leads, incorrect measurement mode, or a worn reference standard. As a troubleshooting tip, replace or recertify the standard first. Many errors trace back to the reference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.